Hello from Slapton Beach in Devon. This is south of Dartmouth, and just a gorgeous beach. It's 2 miles long. It's a nice afternoon here, early afternoon, and just a gorgeous day. Maybe 40 degrees. Got some fancy houses up on top of the hill here. This guy's got a modern. This place looks pretty nice. But I've been out here for not quite an hour metal detecting, and finally have come up with a coin. Let's see if I can get this where you can see it. It's a 50 pence piece. And as you can see, it's in a wet area. Okay, so don't worry about the Mine Lab Manticore metal detector because it's waterproof, more than me. And so I really wanted to show you the beach, and I was going to wait until I found something. It took a minute. We got sheep up here on the hill above me. Just a typical beautiful beach in the south of England. This is the English Channel out here, and France is not far away. This piece has got some nice green patina. Queen Elizabeth, 1997. And it's actually spendable. It's not the new digital currency, but numeric. What is it? Not digital, but decimal. Excuse me. But I think I could take it to the bank and trade it in if I wanted to. Now this says something penny. I'm not sure what it is, but it's a beautiful coin. It's coming back to Texas with me, so I'll show you down at the coffee shop later. But yeah, beautiful day out here. Gorgeous beach. I'm heading to a place called Land's End. That is the corner kind of England there, the southwest corner. And I'm going to visit a good friend there. It's going to be a very nice visit. There's a couple beaches along the way. This one and the next one I'm going to go to as soon as I leave here. But my goal is to hike down to this point here, and if I can't get past there, turn around and come back. Metal detect the whole way. Now there's rumors of everything back to Roman and Celtic here, but even Viking at some point. So should be interesting. More later.